Hey, if you forgot your screen lock on the OnePlus Nord CE for Lite 5G, let me show you how you can bypass this. So the only way to actually fix this is actually to perform the hard reset of your phone. So it means that you will unfortunately lost all of your data. So before you actually perform the reset, just remove your SIM cards and memory cards from this slot. Then you will have to just turn off your phone. So in my case, I'm going to use the volume up button and the power button combination. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna use the power button only, and then slide to power off. And now just wait until the phone will be turned off, and all you have to do right now is just to click the power button and the volume down button together. And when you feel vibration and get OnePlus logo on the screen, release power button, just like this. And keep holding the volume down button, and it will actually take around 10 seconds of holding this button until we enter for the recovery mode. So just be patient and keep holding this button all the time. If it doesn't work for some reasons, just try to do this one more time. This is actually the only way. Now we have to scroll down with the volume down button and select English. Click on the power button to confirm. Then select to format data. Now input this code. So it's, in my case, it's 9271, and click to format. Then as you can see, now it's wiping the data. And all you have to do is just to click OK to finish. Now we have to turn on the phone back. I mean, the smartphone will actually turn on back, and you will be able to actually open the phone, and you will actually get the first setup screen on your OnePlus Nord CE for Lite 5G. So this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos.